So today class is regarding the low vision. So who is a low vision patient? A person with low vision who has a impairment of visual function even after the treatment or standard refractive correction and has a visual acuity between the 6 by 18 to 3 by 60 or visual field less than 10 degree from the point of fixation or to trial between the 3 by 60 to PL. So this means if the patient having a vision between the 6 by 18 to 3 by 60, or you can say the 3 by 60 is also equivalent to finger count 3 meter. If the patient vision uh, after the refractive correction falls between the 3 by 60 to 6 by 18, that patient is considered as a low vision patient, and this is the WHO definition. So low vision usually results in reduced central or reading vision, decreased side peripheral vision, loss of color vision, inability to properly adjust to light, contrast, or glare. So this means in this the patient is inability to read the books or central vision is been affected. Peripheral vision patient can't see from the periphery. Color vision has been decreased or maybe lost or inability to properly adjust to light, contrast, or glare. So scenario in India says about 45 million patients are visually handicapped. Means normal patients in India about 45 million patients are visually handicapped in this. Out of which at least 30 millions are low vision. So in which India they're having a 30 millions partially sighted that is known as a low vision. So what are the causes of low vision? कि लो विजन होता क्यों है? यहाँ तो पेशेंट को कैटरेक्ट है. सपोज पेशेंट हैविंग अ कैटरेक्ट. ARMD. ARMD means age related macular degeneration. Just like wrinkles, as age advances, as age will grow after the age of 40 years, in which the wrinkles will develop in the face, same as in retina we having some wrinkles. So glaucoma, in which the patient having a peripheral field loss, or the diabetic retinopathy. So first classification of the functional visual defects says that a cloudy media having a no field defect or patient having a central field defect or periphery. So cloudy media in which the patient doesn't involve any field defect, that is cornea and tear film. Dry eyes, irregular astigmatism, scars, dystrophy, edema and excimal lasers. People iris, that is meiosis. Meiosis means people का छोटा हो जाना. Mydriasis means people का बड़ा हो जाना. Atrophy मतलब सूख जाना. Polycoria का मतलब दैट इज मल्टीपल पीपल्स, मतलब एक ही जगह 3 या 4 पीपल्स आ जाना. और एंडेक्टमी इन विच वी हैविंग अ होल इन द आइरिस. Lens is a cataract, means formation of opacity in the lens. Next is a vitreous inflammation, hemorrhage or floaters. So central field defect in which the center retina is involved, that is a degenerative inflammatory edema. Degenerative means just like a wrinkles. Inflammation in which the congestion will occur in the in the retinal area. Edema जिसमें पानी भर जाता है. ऑप्टिक नर्व, दैट इज कंप्रेशन, इंफ्लामेशन, इस्चेमिक एंड ट्यूमर. मींस ऑप्टिक नर्व का दब जाना, उसका सूज जाना, ठीक है ना, उसका ऑक्सीजन पूरा ना मिलना, या कोई ट्यूमर या कोई रसोली वगैरह जम जाना. पेरिफेरल field defect means peripheral retina in which the retinitis pigmentosa. Retina pigmentosa को हिंदी में बोलते हैं जिसको रात को दिखाई नहीं देता. तो ऑप्टिक नर्व, जिसमें ऑप्टिक नर्व जो सिग्नल्स हमारे ब्रेन तक पहुंचाती है उसका डैमेज हो जाना, या ब्रेन में कोई ट्यूमर या ब्रेन स्ट्रोक हो जाना, जैसे जस्ट लाइक हार्ट अटैक. So first pathology says cataract. In this cataract, we having a opacification of crystalline lens of the eye, varying in degree from slight to complete opacity. Means the जख्म बन जाना कहाँ पर? लेंस में. That will obstruct the passage of light due to transparency loss. शीशा पारदर्शी ना होने के कारण उसको कैटरेक्ट बन जाता है. ये बचपन से भी हो सकता है, डेट इज कॉन्जेनिटल और ट्रोमेटिक और एज रिलेटेड, और इट मे बी ट्रीटेबल. Next is the ARMND, that the macular degeneration. It is caused by the hardening of the arteries that nourish the retina. Two types of uh, ARMD is there, that is dry and wet, and it affect the central vision. So you can see in the image this one, and this one. These are the drusen's. drusen, that is also says as wrinkles. Next is a corneal dystrophy. You can see in the images that the eye looks like a dystrophy. The rare condition, cornea is altered without the presence of inflammation, infection, or other eye disease, in which the transparency of the cornea is affected and vision or may not be disturbed. Classified as a epithelial stromal or endothelial dystrophy. So dystrophies are of mainly three types. In this, the epithelial stroma or the endothelium. This occurs due to congenital, मतलब कोई चोट नहीं लगा, कोई इन्फ्लामेशन नहीं, कोई इन्फेक्शन नहीं हुआ, लेकिन पेशेंट की पुतलियों में दाग पड़ गए. So you can see that next is a diabetic retinopathy, that is the leading cause of blindness in adults, caused by changes in blood vessels of the retina. So main types are mild non-proliferative, moderate non-proliferative, or severe. So what are the non-proliferative means? In which there is not wetness is not there. Wetness means एक blood पानी की तरह नहीं है, वो सूख चुका है. ये भी तीन तरह के होते हैं, जैसे mild, moderate और severe. You can see in the image, this is the hemorrhage. This is a dry hemorrhage, and yellow deposits this yellow deposits is a hard exudates. So these are the diabetic retinopathy changes. So next is a pathological myopia. So it is similar to age-related macular degeneration. Just having a difference is this patient is highly myopic and age is less than 40 years. It also causes a loss of central vision due to degeneration of photoreceptor cells, in which the rods and cones are affected. It is caused by suppression of a retina as a result of abnormal elongation of eyeball. आँख का, एज यू नो, द मायोपिया में आँख की लंबाई बढ़ जाती है, जिसके वजह से रेटिना हमारा थिन हो जाता है और पैथोलॉजिकल मायोपिया होने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट इज अ ग्लूकोमा. So lead to blindness by damaging the optic nerve. Elevated pressure in the eye is a risk factor or affects the peripheral vision. As you know, the glaucoma is a optic neuropathy. Optic neuropathy means in which the optic nerves become damaged due to what? There is a increase in the IOP. There is an increase in the intraocular pressure that affects the peripheral vision. If the pressure is more than 21, you can say the patient having a glaucoma suspect. So mainly two main types are there. Primary open angle, in which the angles you can see the five angles, that is Sebas line, trabecular meshwork, all the angles you can see. And next is the angle closure, in which you can't see the five angles of anterior chamber. So next is the optic atrophy. Optic atrophy means नस का पूरी तरह सूख जाना, और यू कैन से इन optometry language, it is a loss of retinal nerve fiber layers in the optic nerve. So symptoms are blurred vision, धुंधला दिखना, साइड विजन, साइडों का ना दिखना, कलर विजन चले जाना, पीपल का कंस्ट्रिक्ट ना होना, डिक्रीज ब्राइटनेस इन वन आई रिलेटेड टू द अदर आई, और ब्राइटनेस और कंट्रास्ट विल बी लेस एज कंपेयर टू अदर आई. So next is the retinitis pigmentosa. This is also known as a night blindness problem, in which the patient is not able to see at the night. Why this happens? Because of roads. As you can see in the image, there's a black spots out there. You can see in the image in the periphery. So this one is the periphery. So this black spots is known as bony specules. Bony specules means हड्डियों का बोन, जैसे जब बोनी हो हड्डी का, अगर आप चूर चूर कर दोगे, चूर चूर करके उसको रेटिना में एक में रख दिया, मतलब that's why it is known as a bony specules. So why this is happening? Because this bony specules mainly obstruct the roads or may damage the roads. As you know, the roads are at the periphery. So next is a loss of central vision late in the course of disease. So loss of central vision means as this bony speckles increases, it may come into center portion. इस center में आ जाएंगे, तब center का भी दिखना बंद हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज द रेटिनोपैथी ऑफ प्रीमेच्योरिटी. प्रीमेच्योरिटी मीन्स कि बच्चा जो है और डिलीवरी के टाइम 9 महीने में पूरा पैदा नहीं हुआ, वो ऑलमोस्ट 7th मंथ में या ऑलमोस्ट 6 मंथ में ही पैदा हो गया, जिसके वजह से उसके पूरी रेटिना में डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुई. That is due to which the retinopathy of prematurity will occur. That is a disorganized or growth of retinal blood vessel resulting in scarring a retina. So as you can see in the first, that is the retinal blood vessels. You can see the blood vessels in the retina. It may be due to scarring and a retinal detachment. It can be mild with no visual defects, or it may become retinal, become aggressive with new blood vessel and progress to blindness. So as smaller and younger babies are surviving, the incidence of ROP has increased. So achromatopsia is means without color. You can see in the image, patient with the achromatopsia can't see the color. That's a black and white image. So it's mainly the inherit or a genetic cause factor or a congenital. So next is the albinism, that is due to melanin pigment absent. As you know, we having a melanin pigment in the skin, which gives the darkness to the skin, or which protects the skin from the sunlight. So these patients, you can see, these is patients are free from a melanin pigment. That's why they having a face structure is different as compared to normal patients. So aniridia simple means absence of iris. It can also cause a low vision or a loss of vision, usually affecting both eyes. Muscles that open and close the pupils are entirely missing in this case. Trauma, due to trauma, means due to any injury, any eyelid trauma, cornea abrasion, or chemical burns. So what are the goals of comprehensive low vision care? मीन्स हमारा मकसद क्या है लो विजन केयर देने के लिए? टू अवॉइड लाइट, सो इवेल्युएट द फंक्शनल स्टेटस ऑफ द आईज एंड द विजुअल सिस्टम. तो मीन्स हम पेशेंट को नज़र दे सके और उसके विजुअल सिस्टम की और ज़्यादा एनहेंस कर सके. टू एसेस ऑकुलर हेल्थ एंड रिलेटेड सिस्टमेटिक हेल्थ, टू प्रोवाइड अप्रोप्रिएट लो विजन इंटरवेंशन, टू काउंसिल एंड एजुकेट, कि कोई भी पेशेंट को हम काउंसिल कर के सके कि आप इन डिवाइसेस के थ्रू देख सकते हो. So next is a low vision assessment, that is the refraction, uh, keratometry or stenopic slit. So do not use the refractive units. Just like a phoropter, use full diameter trial lenses in trial frames in case of eccentric viewing, nystagmus, and unusual head positions. So low vision assessment. Next is a ocular motility and binocularity. So you should go for a gross assessment of ocular. If the patient having any squint or any related ESO and an exo, you should go for a binocular function test. If the patient having a Worsford dot test or stereotype, these are the tests that tells you about the binocular function कि दोनों आँख इकट्ठे काम कर रही है कि नहीं. So what are the effect of lenses? You should know by asking the patients, by giving the prisms or occlusion. You can ask the patients. So next is a visual field assessment. So you should go for a visual field up to which what field patient having the field, or about 10 degree of field or 20 or more than 30. So it's depending upon if the patient having a less than 10 degree of vision the or field, that means the patient should go for a low vision assessment. So we having a different method, that is the confrontation, Goldman, automated, or Amsler grade. So ocular health assessment, external examination, biomicroscopy, tonometry, and fundus examination. So supplemental testing, This is the optional test, you can go for this. That is a contrast sensitivity, color vision test, or VPRG. You should know, so that you can clarify the diagnosis. So low vision devices, so we are having a two types of devices, that's a optical device and non-optical device. So three types of magnifications are there. We having a relative distance magnification, moving the object closer to the eye, causing a proportional enlargement of the retinal image. Means कोई भी दूर की चीज आँख के पास ला दो, ठीक है, डेट इज द, कोई भी दूर की चीज पास ला दो, दैट इज द रिलेटिव डिस्टेंस मैग्निफिकेशन. रिलेटिव साइज मैग्निफिकेशन मीन्स उस अक्षर का साइज बढ़ा दो, enlarging the physical size of an object such as large print greater than a standard print. एंगुलर मैग्निफिकेशन, कि उस अक्षर का या उस अल्फाबेट का, दोज अल्फाबेट you can increase the angle by which the patient can see easily using an optical system such as a telescope. By using the telescope we can increase the angle. So this is the formula as a Castenberg rule for near. Suppose the patient having a use the reciprocal of the distance visual acuity to calculate the dioptric power of the addition. If the distance visual acuity is 6 by 60, then the reciprocal of this is 60 is the numerator, and the denominator is a 6. You can divide the 60 by 6 and you will get the plus 10 Doppler sphere. So this means the patient wants to, if the patient, you have to start the near number or near spectacles from what power, that is depending upon the distance best corrected visual acuity. Suppose कि अगर पेशेंट का विजन 6/60 तक ही बनता है और पेशेंट बोलता है मैं नज़दीक का पढ़ना चाहता हूँ, कोई चश्मा लगाओ ऐसा, तो यू कैन ट्राई फॉर विद द हेल्प ऑफ विजन कि कहाँ से शुरुआत करें. तो हम वैसे क्या कर सकते हैं, बेस्ट करेक्टेड विजुअल एक्यूटी को डिवाइड करना है. जैसे 60/6 हो गया बेस्ट करेक्टेड है, इसकी से ज़्यादा नज़र नहीं बने, तो हमारा आता है 10 डायोप्टर स्फीयर. तो मतलब दूर के नंबर में हम 10 डायोप्टर स्फीयर ऐड कर देंगे, ठीक है ना. फिर ट्राई स्टार्टिंग करेंगे, रिवीजन की स्टार्टिंग करेंगे. So next is a reciprocal of the vision. Use the ratio of the denominator of the distance standard visuality, that is 6 meter equivalent, or the desired near reduced standard becomes at 16 multiplied by 2.5. So same as in near, this is for the near. If the distance as visual acuity is 6/60, अगर दूर का vision 6/60 है, ठीक है ना, 6 बाय मतलब 60 है, एंड डिजाइड हमें चाहिए, पेशेंट कहता है कि वो नेयर का 6/6 या N6 पढ़ना चाहता है. So you have to, how do we can calculate 60/6 into 2.5 is equal to plus 12. That this means you have to start from the plus 12.5 addition in near. This is all for near. So we having optical devices such as near, for near purpose hand magnifiers are there. As you know, you can see in the serials, by the police, by the CBI, they use this hand magnifier to see the magnified image. They can also, in this low vision patient, they can also use the low vision devices just like a hand magnifier. So three consideration of coincide views are there in this: the magnification, field of view, and distortion. So in this, the magnification is inversely proportional to the field of view. So this means जितनी ज़्यादा मैग्नीफाई इंक्रीज करो, जितना ज़्यादा प्लस का पावर आप इंक्रीज, और जितना ज़्यादा मैग्नीफाई इंक्रीज करोगे उतना ही आपका फील्ड ऑफ व्यू विल बी स्मॉल. So whenever there is an increase in the magnification, there is a decrease in the field of view. So next is a magnification is directly proportional to the distortion. Same as in this, if you increase the magnification, the distortion will also be very blur out at that time. So points to remember: in macular degeneration, when central field is affected, moderate magnification may be tried. मतलब अगर कोई भी मैकुला का रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम हुआ है तो तुम्हें क्या बोलते हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा पावर यूज़ करनी चाहिए, पावर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. इन ग्लूकोमा एंड रेटिनाइटिस पिगमेंटोशन मीन्स वेयर द पेरिफेरल विजन इज डिफेक्टेड, जिसमें साइड का नहीं दिखता, ठीक है, दैट इज मेल बी a low magnification you should use in this. So next is the optical device. That's a stand magnifier. You can see in the image there are stand magnifiers. Smaller field of view is there. Handed Apple tabletop magnifier used best form precision lens for magnifying printed made films and artworks and maps extra. So next is a pocket magnifiers. So it is easy to carry and handling is very easy, as one can carry in one's own pocket. Commonly used an inspector tool and a reading aid. So next is a aspheric spectacles that is free from a spherical aberration. That's why it is known as a aspheric spectacles. So they are light and break resistant. Available power is plus 16, 20, 24, and 28. So next is a prismatic spectacles. Prismatic, why they are using prisms? Because to get focus in near, to so that the both eye can converge equally in near. So we having a plus 6 diopter with 8 prism diopter base in, plus 8 diopter spherical with 10 prism base in, 10 diopter spherical with 12 prism base in, and 12 with 14 prism base in. The spectacle mounted magnifiers are also available, in which we do not use the hand. So this is the magnifying spread mounted in magnifying. This type of system is called a microscope. It allows use of both hands to complete the closed up tasks such as recording. So next is a CCTV. So you can use also, you can see in the image there is a microscope and out there, and what you are seeing in the microscope you can also see in the TV. So, so one low vision patient can also use the closed circuit CV to see the near very small objects. So primer is there also. Primer is a pen drive, you can say, or we having a, you can say at the top of the day there is a small convex lens out there. So it works with any television to provide the magnification up to 15x. That is 30 diopter to 60 diopter. So 1x is equal to 4 diopter. You should know about this, that 1x is equal to 4 diopter. It provides a clear black and white images or enhanced white or black images of print materials, including a. Uh, so next is the optical device. That's a distance Galilean telescope or Keplerian telescope. Terrestrial are there, astronomical are there. So Galilean telescope available up to 6x, two lenses, smaller field of view, brighter image, light in waves. So we have income advantage of this. It's available up to 6x, and in Keplerian it available up to 20x. Multiple lens, wider field of view, lens transmission or heavier. So next is a bioptic telescope. It is used for distance spotting. Excellent for the mobile whose visual demands are constantly charging. Available in 1.7x, 2.2x, 2.0x, and 4.0. Wide angle bioptic telescopes are also available. You can see in the in the picture that there is a bioptic telescope that is used for the distance. So next is Ocutech, an autofocus telescope of 4x magnification. It helps to see object from infinity to 30 centimeter. Attached at the top of eyeglass frame, cosmetically superior to any other telescopic system. So these are the non-optical devices. You can see the low vision watch. So you can see in the watch the digits are very large. You can see the digits are large. Talking thermometer is also there, in this which the thermometer tells the talking type of, means they tells the temperature. Talking calculator, when you press on the calculator it will tells you about the number that what you are pressing. Notex are there, you can differentiate between the note. Reading lamp are there, talking blood glucose monitor are there, liquid level indicator, and large printer race check lines. So check letter envelope writing is also there. Needed threaders, talking phone, talking foot scale, TV screen, high mark or span line. Race line or bold line paper are also there. You can, means you can see in the cars there are the fonts are almost 15 times magnified. You can see in the telephone that the numbers are large. You can see in the mobile or this mobile you can make the alphabets larger. So next is the observe or non-optical device, that's the absorptive lens. It absorbs the ultraviolet rays. So some patients of low visions having a problem of UV rays problem. Mean the patient says that I have patient having a too much problem of when they're exposed to UV rays or the glares. So they use the absorptive lens, in which we having a different types of shades. They having a addition of cobalt, in which the blue lens are made. Addition of chromium oxide, in which the green lens. Addition of magnet result in violet. Addition of uranium result in yellow lens. So use of low vision, where do we have to use? Albinism patient, in which the iris is absent. CSR, in which the outer plexiform layer of retina is swelled. And diabetic retinopathy, we should have a benefit much in these cases of low vision aids. Retina degeneration can accept RP, high myopia, aniridia, coloboma, optic nerve atrophy. They can manage to perform in this. Nystagmus, microphthalmus, congenital catamorpha, not bad, but they you can try on that. So visual rehabilitation, process of restoration of the visual handicapped person to their best possible level of physical, mental and social, vocational and economic function. So it this means to say कि हमने जितना भी हो, जो पेशेंट जो साइकोलॉजी से उसके साइकोलॉजी की उसको दिख नहीं रहा है, उसको ऑलमोस्ट साइको डिसऑर्डर हो गया है, कि उसके जितनी हो सके उसका नॉर्मल डेली से डेली लाइफ रूटीन उसको हमने विद द हेल्प ऑफ लो विजन असेसमेंट यू कैन ट्राई ऑन देम. So includes medical rehabilitation, early diagnosis of cause and extent of the visual handicapped, institution of appropriate management of the ocular problem is of paramount importance. Social rehabilitation, acceptance of the visual handicapped person by his family is very important. So there are two types of medical and social. Medical, you can get the first diagnosis and you can treat it well. Social means by their parents, by their family members to help them as a socially कि तुम कर सकते हो, by motivated them. So next is a education rehabilitation. You can go for, you can encourage the student of low vision to go for a special schools. You can help them in braille educations. Braille education is that education in which there are six dots. Patient will feel that six dot and tells about the alphabets. So physical means with the help of long canes. That canes, that patient who are totally blind, they use the white canes. Means जो एक white color की stick होता है, so that they can differentiate in their front what they have. They can activate for active or for activities of daily living. Blind can be tried to earn money with the skills acquired by them. So these are the conclusions. Thank you.